What is up, guys? NinjaCraft here, and well, today, I have some mail. I bought online some Rubik's cubes. It is the wheel cube and something else. So let's open it. Okay, I'm so excited, guys. Okay, well, first let's cut the packaging. Okay. Let's open it. By the way, on this, there's like a 3x3 over here. Okay, come on, get it out. Okay. Okay, just need to cut it some more. I'll be all good. Okay. Okay. Cut it now. Box. Woo! Holy snaps. Okay. These. Okay, so I got the wheel cube. Okay, so this is the wheel cube. It's a really nice cube, actually, I gotta say. So here, let me show you how it turns. So turns like this, or it can turn like that. Okay, so like it's a shapeshifter. And this is a wheel cube. Yep. And this, I don't know what cube it is. It seems to be a really nice cube. I don't want to scramble these up because I don't think I can solve these. Woo! Okay, here. It's not entirely scrambled up. Wow, these are some nice cubes. Okay, yeah, these are amazing cubes. For example, here is a shape it turned into, but I just did some easy algorithms. So these are amazing cubes. I'm not kidding. Okay, this one is okay. It's pretty good. Yeah, for example, here is it scrambled. Okay, so this is how it looked like when it's scrambled, okay? But wait, chill, I just think I mixed it up. No. Okay, I gotta solve it, okay? Oh, wait. I think I fixed it. Nope. How do you do this? So confusing. Ah, here. Okay, yay, my first solve on this. Woo! Okay, guys, you should be excited because I am. Okay, so let's mix this up. So this is a very exciting day. Okay, so this is the yeah. So these are amazing cubes. I'm not kidding. These are the coolest thing. So happy with my buy. And these are speed cubes, which means they're in real nice condition. Yep. But this is really rough. I can hear it. But it's really nice. Okay, so here's a weird pattern. I don't know why I did that, but okay. So yeah, I am so happy. I think it was totally worth it. And guys, it's only $6, okay? $6 for 2 nice cubes. And so you just line them up and just turn them. Wait, how do you turn them? Like that. Okay, so that will be it, guys. See you guys next. Oh gosh, see you guys next time. Goodbye. These are very cool cubes. Make sure to slam that like button, cause well, yeah, please slam the like button and subscribe. See you guys.